So with a project like this, there is an inherent difficulty in trying to bring together a fantastic rod at the $199 price point. And the difficulty with that should be, an obvious one for you guys. What makes this rod special? That's the question. We wanted a rod built here locally, sourced locally. And that point right there alone knocks out just about all the other competing rods at the price point, because all the other ones are built overseas, with very, very few exceptions. It's also really difficult to find the right components at this price point that are going to complement our idea and vision for this rod and the project, and also give you value that you need at that price. And so it's not about just getting the most expensive components or the cheapest components. It's about finding the right components, and that's what we really want to do. So the parts we're using, they're not the cheapest so we can save money and cut corners on this rod. They're not. They're the right components for performance, especially for Texas fishermen and the applications that they're going to be using the rods. They're the right components. And so we're not just trying to put together something that's flashy and may only last a year because budget reasons or anything like that. We really believe that we found the right components that are going to match this rod and at the price point that you guys are looking for.